2 stops. And we heading on down to our final stop.
Wow, it's crowded.
Y'all might laugh at us, but they can't see me.
No, I'm leaving.
Hey, y'all might laugh at us, but we on our way to pick up what's it called?
Amazon FireStick.
Yeah.
Why you tell all our business?
Hey, why you here running to the back of the person?
You tell all our business.
Anyway.
Babe, you sound like you're not a team player right now.
My hubby loves to say that, but usually people remember when you was younger and people used to pass gas and you said the first one smelt it, dealt it. Like that's
you sound you about to get kicked off the team.
That's this guy. Like
you about to get kicked off the team.
He always talking about be a team player, and you
about to get kicked off the team.
Well,
bad permanently. Never to come back on the team again. You kicked off the team, they ain't got nowhere to go.
See? So I'm saying. Yeah, so we on our way to our last stop. Honestly, I wanted to stop and get some more food because, our minds play tricks on us. The things we got in the house, I don't really want any of it. I was thinking about fixing breakfast for dinner. Y'all missed it yesterday. I made some spaghetti.
Oh, that's what we got. Busted!
I'm
eating that for lunch.
The hubby and the son loves my spaghetti. The son probably gonna be sad to know I fixed spaghetti without him. But yeah, most people love my spaghetti. I used to make it all the time when we had a lot of events going on. It's one of my go-to meals. So, and how y'all surviving? Like when I was younger, my aunt fixed a lot of soups and beans and. Newer generation, I don't think they eat beans or like oatmeal. Then rice, and they fix rice with everything. I actually love rice. I like the flavored rice, like brown rice and yellow rice and stuff like that. Not really so much. Well, white rice is good whenever you making some kind of sauce to go with it, because it's plain anyway, so it doesn't matter when you put it with gravy or whatever. What's your thoughts, babe?
Yeah, it's cool. It's good to go. I eat anything. That's all good. Put some hot sauce on there. It's good to go.
He don't care about no food unless you're talking about a steak.
Yeah.
Then when you
medium well.
When you start talking about steak, he gets excited.
Steak gotta be medium well. Don't never get your steak well done. They're burning all the juices out of it.
And it's possibly true, but I'm still alright with my well done food.
That's true.
I'm still good with my well done food. I don't want no blood on my plate.
Well done. Your lips gonna be burnt up.
I hope you guys are really starting to learn to enjoy your time home with your family and your friends. And enjoy not having to get up and go to a 9 to 5. We'll be back to the hustle and the grind real soon, and y'all gonna be wishing y'all had this time off again. So that's keeping it real.
Make sure you guys also exercise. Don't just be eating. Even if you don't have no gym equipment or nothing like that, you can do some push-ups, some sit-ups, or either, if you got something in your house you can hold on to and just stretch yourself out, or, if you got steps, just walk up and down your steps from the first floor, or if you got a basement to third floor up and down, just get some exercise in there.
YouTube is your best friend. Well, YouTube is your second best friend. Google is the first best friend. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well,
but get on YouTube. A lot of people who had to shut down their gyms, personal trainers, they have to stay in shape.
Oh yeah, I ain't think about that.
So they are actually posting free videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
And probably on their Facebook pages. So if y'all were connected to a gym, check out their Facebook pages and see what the personal trainers are doing. That will help a lot at home too.
I forgot about that, because back in the day they used to do the DVDs.
Yes.
So now you just go on YouTube, find a workout, and it's usually time too. So you just go and then you get to find a workout YouTube, and then you can work out at home right there.
Yeah, and it'll be so cool to do with little kids, because little kids are so silly. They make anything fun.
2 hours later.
guys. As you can see, I have 2 Fire Sticks. This is the Fire Stick TV stick with the Alexa voice remote. If you can see it there, sorry about that. It's the Fire TV stick with the Alexa TV remote. So let's do the unboxing on this thing. I've got 2 of them. I'm going to unbox this one. Let's open this up. And as you can see, once you slide this out, so easily. Have a nice cardboard box here. There's everything wrapped in. Let's open this up. And then when you open this up, as you can see, inside here, there's the Fire TV stick, Amazon. What you're going to get when you open this up, of course, right out the gate, I see we have batteries here. So you have 2 AAA batteries there. You actually have the remote control, voice activate remote control. Right here you see you got your mute button, your power, your up and down, your rewind, fast forward, play and pause button, home button, previous channel button, and the menu. And there's the voice activation. Here's your navigation wheel there with the power button right there. There's your remote control right there. Next, in here, we have the actual Fire Stick. Let's take this, let's unwrap this so you can see what this is. Here's the actual Fire Stick right here, Amazon Fire Stick. And as you can see, Amazon on it. And got an HDMI input on that. I'm going to sit this right here. Of course, you have your instruction manuals that nobody reads. Fire Stick. I think this one right here is just about, yep, this basically shows you how to set it up. And as you can see, you should have, you know, your Fire Stick in there, your USB cable, extender cable, power adapter, the remote, and the batteries. That's what all should come included. This basically shows you how to hook it all up. Next, I think this is just, this is just some advertising material that they include in there. You know, a little advertising material. Next thing we're going to open up, take apart, is the charging adapter. As you can see, USB goes right here, and then the other port just plugs right in. And next, the last piece that's inside here, where is it? Oh, it's down this way. It's on this end. And we have actually your cable, USB cable. It's a USB on one end and the power there. This is actually the power cable there that goes with that. And the final piece that you should have in your Fire Stick is here. It is right here, stuck in the side. You get that out. And this is your extender cable. As you can see, one side is HDMI, other side is HDMI. So if you've got a TV where it's real tight, or you got a lot of things in HDMI now, you just use this and you can extend it off of the TV, because when you plug this in, this right here on the end may hit the other devices that you have. So basically you take this and you put that in there like so, and then that fits like that, and then you got an extender. So now you got a regular, says it's not that wide, and then you can just plug it in. So there's the unboxing of all the items you should have in your Fire TV, and this is the model right here. Let's see, this is yep, it says you know, it's gonna have Alexa, it's gonna have 1080p, Dolby Audio, quad core, and Wi-Fi, L211 AC all the way up. And this is trying to see, and that's what you should have right there. So next, we're going to show you how to get it set up and running. You can see setting it up is pretty easy. Once you plug it up, make sure you go to the right input that you have. And once you plug it up, you will see this right here. It's loading up. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, guys. So hopefully everything is good for you. So as you can see, you got your Amazon Fire Stick there. It's loading up. And it says search for your remote. Okay, there we go. Press the play button to start. And of course, we're English. And then once you do English, the next thing you're going to do is searching for your network. So right now it's looking for the network, the Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to hook that up, and then I'm going to come back and show you how you get just Amazon to your Wi-Fi. And like I just did, it says, "Hi James, your Amazon TV stick is registered to James. Do you want to use this account?" And I'm just going to say continue, because I do want to use this account. And no, I don't want them to say my password. I already know my password. Okay, no, I don't have any small kids, so I'm not going to enable parental controls. Prepare your remote for setup. We'll be playing music during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned down, then continue. And we're going to hit continue on that. Toggle the up and down buttons. With your Fire TV remote pointed at your TV, toggle the up and down buttons. With the Fire TV remote point at your TV, toggle up and down button. Did the music volume change? Oh yeah, see, there we go. Yeah, so my volume did change. Your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. And then once that is done, there we go. And no, I don't want to at this time join Amazon Prime. Let's choose your streaming services. No, these are all the ones that come preloaded into the Amazon Fire Stick. I'm just going to say no. I'm just going to get to the main menu, so this video won't be too long. But there you go. That's how you sound. There's your main menu. You got your home button. You got live TV stations, YouTube, Pluto, Hulu, Sling. If you go down, you'll see all your stations here. NBC, CNN, The Go. Any of these you can subscribe to if you already have cable service. Also, you got your video, movies area right here. TV shows, all different apps here that you can get right here. The applications, your settings, everything you need to know right there. So that's how you set up your FireStick TV. They have plenty of videos online. If you want to do other stuff with it, definitely watch other videos on how to set it up, get different apps, get different programs that you can get. But there you go. That's how you set up the Amazon Fire Stick. You guys definitely need that, especially during this, quarantine, lockdown, shutdown, whatever area you live into. Get your Amazon Fire Stick. I think I only paid $45 each for those Amazon Fire Sticks. Oh yeah, you do have to have internet service. So make sure you got internet service, get your Amazon Fire Stick, and you're all set. Thanks for watching this video.